Kids Rhyme.
Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn something super fun, the table number 6. Are you ready? Let's clap, sing and learn together. 6 ones are 6. Clap your hands, do some tricks. 6 twos are 12. Put your books back on a shelf. 6 threes are 18. Dance around, stay so keen. 6 fours are 24. Numbers knock upon your door. 6 fives are 30. Sing along, be so heartily. 6 sixes are 36. Pick the numbers, mix and fix. 6 sevens are 42. Learning math is fun for you. 6 eights are 48. Count them fast, don't be late. 6 nines are 54. Shout it loud, learn some more. 6 tens are 60. Tables are fun and very nifty. So kids, let's repeat with me. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. ग्रेट जॉब बच्चों, आप सभी ने बहुत अच्छे से सीखा। चलो अब एक छोटे से क्विज टाइम हो जाए। So the 6 into 3 is equal to, the answer is 18. Moving to the next. 6 into 7 is equal to, the answer is 42. Moving to the next. 6 into 10 is equal to, the answer is 16. Awesome, तुम सभी तो सुपरस्टार निकले। ग्रेट बच्चों, आज हमने 6 का टेबल बहुत ही अच्छे से सीखा। जिन बच्चों का आंसर क्विज में गलत था वो दोबारा से 6 का टेबल देखें और फिर क्विज को दोबारा से करें। तो ये था हमारा आज का 6 का टेबल। कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग बच्चों। अब हम मिलेंगे अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में टेबल 7 के साथ। बाय बच्चों।